In this video, I will discuss Section 8 housing investments. By the end of this video, you will know if it is a profitable investment for you and how to get started. And stay tuned until the end of the video because I will compare Section 8 housing investments with other type of investments so that you can know what's the best investment for you. My name is Roberto Liccardo. I'm the founder of beststocks.com and I have been investing also in real estate for over 20 years. Investing in Section 8 can be really profitable. We are looking at the 6 to 12% returns. It's great because there is a huge demand for it, so that's really rare that you will have that your place won't be occupied. Plus, tenants usually stay longer. However, it does come with some cons, which I will discuss during the video. So, Section 8 housing investment can really be a profitable investment and passive. Let's make an example. John bought a house for $200,000, putting down $40,000. He rents it to a tenant on Section 8 for $1,500. The Public Housing Authority pays it in full. After paying his monthly cost of about $1,000, John makes a profit of $500 per month, and that is completely passive. So let's discuss how to get started with Section 8 as a landlord. What is Section 8 housing? Section 8 housing is a program that allows people with low income to get a rent. So basically the government pays part of the rent, providing a steady income for the landlords. I'm actually displaying on here the requirements to apply for the program, but please do check with your local office. They are actually called PHA and they will help you with the Section 8 housing. The PHA will verify your place and as I said earlier, they will verify whether it's clean and safe. So please do make sure that your place is ready for Section 8 before applying for the program and get it inspected. So you as a landlord, together with the PHA, will decide the rent. You can look for tenants yourself or you can ask for help to the PHA. You will sign an agreement with the PHA stating the rent and all the conditions. And again, this is a little bit of a cons of the program because you can't really change the rent once you have signed the agreement. You will always need the agreement of PHA to change, to increase the rent, since the requirements change from state to state. People with different levels of low income can apply. How much money they can make to qualify depends on where they live and how many are in their family. For example, in a big city like Los Angeles, to qualify, a family of 4 can earn up to $94,600. So the pros of Section 8 housing are, as I say, guaranteed results. So the government pays a fee and that's guaranteed. Another pro is that there is a huge demand for it. So vacancy rates are really high, and that's very unlikely that a landlord won't have a tenant for a long time. And from another side, the cons are, first of all, a strict regulation. Landlords must adhere to strict government rules and regulations, including capping rent at the fair market price and limitations on rent increases and security deposits. And another cons is that in some cases, the payment could be delayed, which means that the government might wait for the tenant to get in before sending out the payment. Sometimes the government money might delay, the government might send the payments late, and that's something to keep in mind for your Section 8 investment. And, one thing to keep in mind, Section 8 is not only good financially, but it's also good for your community. In reality, you're helping out people to get a rent, people with low income. So if you feel like Section 8 housing investment is not really for you, and you're looking to other types of investments, such as stocks, you might want to look into my program. I basically collect the data of over 10,000 investors and I select the best ones looking into the portfolio. And I send out those research to people interested in investing in stocks. So in this way, you will be able to know which are the stocks that are common holdings on the portfolio of the top investors. If you want to know more about my research, just visit the website on the link below. So thanks for watching this video. If you feel like this has been useful to your investments, please do consider subscribing. Bye.